Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and to click the bell button so that you can be notified every time I do upload, which is every Friday Central African time at 12:30. 12:30. And for my returning subscribers and for my new subscribers, hi family, how are you doing? Welcome. I receive you with love. I give you all the love back. So today I thought that I would do a review on a foundation that I have been seeing that everybody's been talking about. So I was like, let me just check it out because it's very affordable, and you know I'm all about saving that coin. So the foundation that we will be reviewing is a Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation. So I wanted to go online to find out what are the claims for the foundation. So I'm just quickly gonna go online and find out, and like how the shades are, because I know in South Africa there isn't a wide range in shades. Because before I did see that there was the foundation, but I saw that there weren't shades for my shade at all. So I was like, let me just wait, maybe they'll bring out more, and that's what they did. Okay, so I'm on the Wet n Wild International website. Okay, so this is what the description says. Your skin only better. Our new high-performing skin perfecting foundation underwent major road testing under 7 different photo lighting conditions to deliver flawless camera-ready makeup every time. Especially made with a matte light diffusing complex to give your skin hashtag no filter perfection. Okay, so on their international website, I'm gonna tell you how many shades they have. Okay, so on the international website they have 20 shades, and I'm just trying to see where my shade is. Okay, so my shade out of all the shades that they have is the fourth last, like it's fourth from the back. So how many shades did I say again? So there's 20 shades, sorry. There's 20 shades. See, okay. So mine is literally the 4th darkest. Let's say the 4th. There's still toffee, but toffee is very light as well. So let's say in the richest like skin tones or shades, there are about 4 shades. And the rest of them, that is about 16. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. There are about 8 shades that are Caucasian looking, but you know, whatever. But people know, as these American brands do come to South Africa, they do need to realize that we need the shades. We don't need your Caucasian shades because the majority of the population have darker skins. So they should come with the impact, like we're gonna be giving you all the shades and all that. So that's what I wanted to check. Let's see the benefits to it. Okay, so this is the benefits to it. Goodbye photo flashback, tested under several lighting. Okay, that's fine. Flashback occurs when white particles in the face makeup reflects the light. Okay, so it doesn't tell you whether it is like transfer resistant or anything like that. It's just focusing more on the photo side of it, so the skin looks so great on a picture, which makes sense because we are in that age where when we put on our makeup we want to look good. So actually so this is what the packaging look like. It's a glass bottle that has the writing on it, and in the back it just shows you a picture as well as the lights under the 7 light conditions that they tested the foundation on, sorry. And I am the shade cacao, not cacao, no. I am in the shade cocoa because I know this is really dumb, but I actually just wanted to make sure that I'm pronouncing it right. So I am the shade cocoa. I really like it. When you open it, it is like a spatula application. I'm going to prime my face with the Catrice Prime and Fine Primer. So the claim is, sorry, I just saw now again, I repeated it. The claim for this foundation is that it is matte. So it says especially made with a matte light diffusing complex to make your skin hashtag, who says that, who does that actually, like hashtag flawless. So I'm going to apply the foundation. I'm just going to put it into this because it's just easier. Oh, it smells very chemically. So it smells really, if that's even a word, I apologize. But it smells, it doesn't have like a great scent. Not that a lot of foundations do. I haven't come across many foundations that have a nice scent. It smells very chemically, as I said. It doesn't say what kind of coverage it is. Doesn't say, so you're probably just gonna have to build it to the consistency that you like. Okay, so I'm just gonna pounce it out again because I just added a bit more coverage to it. I think maybe I'm just being greedy with the coverage, but it is very nice though, and it's very matte. So I'm gonna go off camera and just finish off my look, and then I will check in with you guys once everything is done. Okay, so I'm done with my beat, you know. So right now it's 11:41. I will probably check in with you guys in about 2 hours. So I'm on my way to my nephew's 4th birthday party. So I am that aunt that will be to the gods, but I still will be in the pool. It's what's gonna happen. So we'll check out because it is pretty hot outside. So I will definitely check in with you guys. I'm probably not gonna like take powder with, but I will. But I'm not gonna powder through the time that I'm gonna be filming and checking in with you guys. So I will check in with you guys a bit later. So I'm just checking in with you. Currently it is 3 o'clock. So it's been a good few hours. I've drank, I also ate. I drank water and some juice, and I also ate. But it is looking so good. I'm sorry, I'm just looking on my phone for how it looks, just to see if there's any cracks. Okay, so I wanted to also say, when I applied it, my skin did feel tight, so it was very matte. So, and I have like a dry skin, whole combination skin. So yeah, I've been in the sun. I carried like a jumping castle. I've been packing quaddy packs. I've been doing a lot, and the fact that I haven't started sweating is pretty amazing. So yeah, I'll probably check in again in a few hours, maybe in 2 hours time, and then give you a final update. So I'm doing one last check-in. It is currently quarter to 5, and my foundation has held up. I'm so proud of it. I actually am loving what it looks like. It really looks so good. I've been in the sun the whole day. I was picking up like I know erect is the wrong word, but it's the correct word. I was putting up a jumping castle. I was helping with like putting a stretching tent. I was doing a lot. I was doing in the kitchen. I was doing potty packs and all that stuff. So I was really sweating. I was getting hot because I'm literally wearing all black. So I don't know what I was expecting, but yeah. So it's still, I haven't touched up or anything. Let me just zoom into my nose because that's where you can see maybe the most shine would be, and on my forehead, but not really that much. But I'm very happy with this foundation. It gets 5 stars because I don't know how it is with transfer. So yeah, so I have nothing else to say. I love this foundation. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel and to like this video, and I will see you next time.